the fishline tripwire, commonly used by the VC, may lead to more than a grenade. Mortar shells are often used in anti-personnel devices. This fence gate was booby-trapped with a mortar shell. Again, making use of a grappling hook and rope, the charge is properly detonated from a safe distance. Sometimes even heavier charges are used in VC booby traps. Under the matting of this village hut, a 90mm shell was found set to go off on pressure. Artillery shells and other heavier charges are also used in anti-vehicular mines detonated by various pressure-type devices. You may encounter these wherever the road surface or the open ground permits their use. Before moving into any area that may have been mined by the VC, a careful search should be made with mine detectors. Sometimes you can see where VC mines have been emplaced, their presence given away by an unnaturally regular pattern of cracks. Or by a too regularly shaped rise or depression in the surface of the ground. The work of locating and uncovering these mines should be left to the engineers. So should the job of demolition. You've seen the ingenuity of our enemy and how he uses mines and booby traps to his advantage. The alert, suspicious, and trained Marine can avoid these devices. Stay off trails and away from places you sense he's likely to have booby-trapped. Wherever you go in his country, be alert. Use good patrol tactics. And watch for the little things that don't seem natural. Don't panic. You'll never encounter VC mines and booby traps as concentrated as you've seen them here. But they're around. Assure your own safety when it comes to the detection and demolition of all VC devices. Stay on the alert and stay suspicious. Know your enemy, Viet Cong, and his application of mining and booby trap techniques.